Implementing an ERP for small businesses may cost between $75,000 to $750,000 on small and medium-sized enterprises. Quite expensive, but why? Hi, I am Val, the head of the knowledge at the PitchGround. Today you will learn how to hack ERP pricing and specific use cases for your business. ERP, which stands for Enterprise Resource Planning, is quite costly because it's most complete and holistic type of business software. ERP integrates sales, financial, accounting, marketing, inventory, procurement, productivity, and all aspects of a company within a single software. Its value proposition relies on the fact that all your business data will be centralized so you can increase efficiency. But what about a complete ERP solution at a fraction of the cost? That's Dislio, a simplified ERP perfect for small businesses that are not willing to pay thousands of dollars and months of implementation and training. I will show you how it works. First, see a quick snapshot of your business sales performance in the comprehensive dashboard. Remember, ERP centralizes all your business processes so we can visualize other aspects like product performance and financial data. Dislio makes it easy to understand its features. It displays a list of the items you can add to your ERP. Adding products, customers, invoices, expenses, and more are just a few clicks away. To take an example, I will create a new sales order. Now I will choose the customer. As you can see, every new sales order for this customer will be filled with the data we have from them in advance. Just fill the remaining items and submit the new sales order. With just a few clicks and quick forms, you can log every new sales order your company is making. Dislio tracks your sales orders and automatically aggregates your data to your sales performance and financial reports. Now let's take a look at another feature. What do you need to manage and track your inventory? You should be able to add new products. You need a way to mark every time you get named products or goods. Crafting purchases orders, material issues logs, adding suppliers, and managing multiple stores if you're a retail company. This is exactly what Dislio does and makes it super simple to manage and visualize. Just as you can quickly build the sales orders, you can also invoice your customers in a matter of minutes. You can also track their status to know the percentage of deals that have successfully made their payments. Does your company have brick-and-mortar stores? POS stands for Point of Sale, the standard software for retail companies such as apparel, restaurants, or any companies to track and manage their daily sales. As Dislio already counts with the infrastructure to manage not only sales but inventory and employees, their POS feature is a complete solution for quickly operating a store. Just for the record, Dislio web design is responsive, so your employees can handle all their POS-related tasks from their phones. Now, let's take a look at the reports. Once you choose one of the items, you will be allowed to export all these summaries to Excel or CSV for additional analysis and reporting. Just like the ones I showed you, Dislio offers dozens of use cases that will increase efficiency all across your organization. Good luck and thanks for watching.